everyone, I'm hoping that you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful downtown apartment that we renovated, and we made a lot of adjustment in this apartment that I think you're gonna like it. The first thing I want to show you is this beautiful kitchen. This kitchen used to be closed in, and also the layout was a little bit different. So as you can see, we went very clean and super pretty. We wanted to go with a style that is very sleek and clean. All the appliances are white, they are from Miele. The sink and everything is just beautiful and super clean and modern. The theme of this house is white, navy blue, and a dark brown. So we have a mix of those colors. For the flooring, we went with a walnut hardwood flooring, and usually that type of hardwood is very expensive in terms of the price, and also it's quite fragile and very soft, but my client really loved the look. And what we did for the flooring, we didn't go straight down, we went in an angle, so it looks stunning and beautiful. As soon as you walk in through the space, we had this big massive wall, a huge wall that I thought it could be a very beautiful statement. So what I did, I made it to be a different color. This is a color by Benjamin Moore, and I purchased these arts from Inspiration Furniture, and it's art from Canyon, and it looks stunning. So it's almost like a feature of this space. So as soon as you walk in, this is what you see, and it's give you a mood of the space. It's beautiful and clean. You walk into the space and you walk into the living room. The living room, it's done beautifully with a gorgeous rug and Natuzzi furniture. We have a TV right here. I proposed to my client to have a corner TV unit, and unfortunately it was a little bit out of budget, and my client loved the design. However, he probably gonna do it next year, but I'll show you the design and what I really wanted to do for this part of the wall. And still, I mean, it looks functional, it looks good, but I think if we add that, it's gonna look even prettier. One other thing that I want to mention, guys, it's an island. Here, we didn't have a space for the island. So what we do have instead is this countertop. So the kitchen island is almost like an L shape, right? So we have this L shape island, and then we went with a custom glass front with LED around it. This is a beautiful piece, customized. All the colors are customizedly chosen, and we went with a beautiful blue LED light around it. It looks stunning. It's kind of a statement, isn't it? It's like an art piece on your island. I love that look. It's gorgeous. And we just decorated with the arts and painting on a wall, and I think it just clean, it's pretty, it's made this space look spacious and big. It looks much bigger than what it is. Let me show you the dining room. The dining room, it's just right here. We have a very small area for a dining, and to make it again a little bit more interesting, we created this ceiling details, the drop ceiling with very shallow space between the drop ceiling and the actual ceiling to just be able to get the light out. So I have the lights going everywhere, and the light changes, it dims, and a beautiful pendant, and it's kind of like cozy and nice for the dining area. And in this area of this dining room, we had this beautiful view of the city. And what I did, I have two chairs that are side by side. So here you sit down and you enjoy talking with your partner. And one thing that I want to mention, we purchased these silk rugs, and I wanted them to be specific size. One of them was bigger than what I wanted, so I made it cut into square piece and smaller piece, and that smaller piece we put it right here to be able to use the whole rug. Also, all these beautiful blinds, they are silhouette blinds, and they are automatically can go up and down. I'll show you how does it work. It's awesome. So we close them all. Oh my God, how easy that is. You know, that's much easier than individually. Just everything goes up and down, and then, wow. It's crazy. I feel I'm in New York. I think actually that was it. I mean, it's not New York, but all the tall buildings right here, we wanted to mimic that. So the arts that you see here is the art that's showing New York. This art is from an artist from Italy that we purchased. It's beautiful and it shows New York. And I think here is kind of mimicking that look, isn't it? I love it. Okay, now let's go and see the guest bathroom. Before we go to show you the guest bathroom, I'm going to show you this clock. This is from Natuzzi, and I wanted something for this wall to just be clean and nice, but at the same time decorated. And I found this one and it looks cool, isn't it? Like, I really love it. It's very unique. Okay, this is a guest bathroom, and in the guest bathroom we do have a sink that is lit from Toto, and everything is beautiful and automatic. Like the lights on the mirror can change the Kelvin if you want a warm light, if you want a cool light. The whole theme is very, very neutral. The floor has heating floor, and yeah, it is stunning and it is beautiful. The faucet as well, like everything is very, very clean. And one other thing that I want to show you, the details on a door. The doors have the chrome details, and as well as the handles, they're all solid, and that goes with the style of the house. Now it's time to go check out the master bedroom and the closet. So this closet has a pocket door. The same style door that is on the other doors has been used, and this closet was such a weird shape. It was a triangle shape, and it was a very odd shape that I needed to take an advantage of every little inch of this closet. It's a triangle shape, and what I did, I have LED light all the way on the top, and that LED light is just turned on as soon as you walk in into the space. So that light helps to lit all the clothes, and you can see everything that is in the closet clearly. I also have a tall mirror in the closet, and this tall mirror opens completely 180, and then I can literally stand in front of it and be able to see myself and when I'm dressing up. How great is that? And then we have all the shelves inside this mirror, which is great. So I used that corner, all the shelves on the top, little drawers for everything, all the clothes, and then even a safe box. Like, I made a great safe area at the back. It is hidden in the wall for my client, and then again another little area over here that is locked right now, but it's just overall, I think it came out beautiful. The corner shelves, the shelves at the bottom, we have 2 rods for hanging. It's awesome. Now it's time for you to see the best part of this tour, the master bedroom. I customized the bed, and this bed is custom made and it looks stunning, guys. There's a lot of things has been done here. The bed frame and the actual bed, the cushion, everything around it, the paneling, everything has been customized with our team. The bed is made of walnut, and I wanted a low profile bed that looks like that is floated in the room. So LED light underneath is creating that floating look. The back is very, very simple. It has floating side beds, which is great. And then I wanted to make something almost like a hotel vibe. I wanted to get that hotel vibe from this room. And what we did, we paneled the walls, and on top of the panel, we put wallpaper. And what I wanted to showcase this paneling, I didn't want them to touch. So I have distance between the panel, and the gap between has been painted a very, very dark navy blue from Benjamin Moore. Then around the box, the inch that I have around the box, that has been painted with a silver metallic paint from Modern Master. So 2 different color, and it's create a different view of this box that is floating between this wall, and I think that's gonna give it a little bit more a dramatic look. Inside that paneling, I have this beautiful feature on top of the bed with LED light under it, so anything that we display over here, it will pop and it's gonna look gorgeous. We still has not decided on the bedding, so that's in progress, but yeah, that's coming, and I think as soon as that goes on top of this bed, it's just gonna look the best. So on the color of the walls as well, I played a different tone, and because the lighting in this room is very dramatic, it actually came out quite nice. Instead of making everything one color, I went with two colors. One very soft off-white tone, and the other color, it's a very muted gray blue. And it's kind of make the room a little bit more dramatic. As soon as you walk in one wall on your right side where the hallway is, walking to the room is totally that dark muted gray blue color, and I brought that color on another wall right at this corner that this room has. Also at this corner there's a plan to be some sort of a shelf as well as a chair, but we're still waiting for that. The rugs, again, it's silk rug, and usually people do mistakes. They do either don't put rugs underneath of the bed, or they go for very small rugs. I like the rugs to completely covers the bed, or at least surrounding it. So we went for a quite big rug that goes over the room, which is great. The drapery as well is just soften up the room. The drapery is silk and it's just sheer. We do have blind behind it just in case if they want more privacy, and also it's going to be room darkening. With motorization, this drapery can close in and can open. Right now I'm just going to close it for you to see. Oh, how easy it is. You know, I love technology. I really do. It's just so soft and it's pretty. You can even like give this room a full room darkening effect. I'll show you how does it work. The blind can come down. How great is that? Oh my God, that's awesome. And then when you're lying on a bed, you can watch TV. So this space is like, this is small, guys. It's very, very tiny and small. And what I do have is a small TV unit right here. And I want it to be floated, very narrow. So these are all customized. And then the TV right on top. And this TV is one of those TVs that can just showcase the art and showcase the pictures. So it almost looks like an art. And then let's go and check out the master bathroom. In the master bathroom, we do have a walnut. Oh, that's what happens, you know? That toilet is super smart, and before even you go into the toilet, it just opens. It's a smart toilet. But in the bathroom, what we do have, the whole vibe is very masculine because my client is a guy. So everything that we design, it has that masculine vibe. Everything is dark brown, grays, blues, and a little bit of white. So in the bathroom as well, in order to not see the shower, we used very dark black glass, and it looks stunning. Towel warmer, all the floors are heated, and yeah, it looks clean, it looks beautiful, it looks modern. It's very, very pretty. And also I love the shower. I really love the shower fixtures and everything. Come in here, take a look. It's beautiful. Like everything here is super chic, especially the shower head. It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's nice. Okay guys, this is it. This was the tour of this beautiful condo. I'm hoping you liked it. Leave me a comment below and let me know which area was your favorite, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.